Guys, welcome to my channel Rajmore Consultancy, and today we will talk about Aarti Industries Limited daily chart BSC. Its last traded price was 890.95 rupees and percentage gain is 1.17%. So here you can see it is in a sideways trend going on, and here you can also see a bullish engulfing candle and gives us a strong signal to buy, and here it is going in up move. So now we will talk about its RSI. Its RSI is 61.49 and it is in a up move and giving a buy signal. Now we will talk about its MACD. MACD line is above signal line and it skirts here the signal line from below. Now we will talk about its exponential moving averages. So here you can see 5 DEMA cuts 26 DEMA and 13 DEMA at once, and 26 and 13 DEMA are meted or merged. Now we will see its Bollinger Band. It is in a tube shape and it is on the upper band of the Bollinger Band. So it is giving us a buy call. So we will see the pattern is in a sideways trend, bullish engulfing candle and in a up move. RSI is 61.49. Now we will talk about MACD line. MACD line cuts signal line from below. Exponential moving averages 5 DEMA is above 13 and 26 DEMA. Now we will talk about Bollinger Band. It is above upper band. Now we will talk about Polycab India Limited daily chart BSC. Its last traded price was 1891.55 rupees. Its percentage lose is 1.01%. So you can see that it is in a sideways trend from here and it is also in a uptrend, but now it is in a sideways trend. Here you can see a big bearish engulfing candle which gives us a sell call. Now we will talk about its RSI. Its RSI is 47.32 and it is in down move, so it is a sell signal. Now we will talk about its MACD. MACD line is below signal line. Now we will talk about its exponential moving averages. So 5 DEMA cuts 13 DEMA from above and now it gives us a sell signal. Now we will talk about its Bollinger Band. So it lies on at lower band. As we analyze, the pattern is sideways trend, bearish engulfing candle. Now we will talk about its RSI. Its RSI is 47.32. MACD line is below signal line. Exponential moving average 5 DEMA cuts 13 DEMA from above. Now talking about Bollinger Band, it is at lower band forming pattern. Now we will talk about Relaxo Footwear Limited daily chart BSC. Its last traded price was 1168.50 and its percentage lose is 13%. Now we will see its pattern. It is in uptrend, but now it is showing a down move, and here it can be goes up. Now we will talk about its RSI. Its RSI is 56.92 and it becomes a flat. So now it can be moved down or up. Now we will talk about its MACD line. It is below the signal line which is giving us a sell signal. Now we will talk about its exponential moving averages. 13 DEMA cuts 5 DEMA cuts 13 DEMA from below and 26 DEMA is below both of it. Now we will talk about its Bollinger Band. The pattern is forming at average line, so it is a sell call. So now we will talk about pattern. It is in uptrend and up move has started. Its RSI is 56.92. MACD line is below signal line. Exponential moving averages 5 DEMA and 13 DEMA meets and 26 DEMA is below of the both. Now we will talk about Bollinger Band. It is at average line. So overall result is it is a anticipatory buy call because it shows a up move and it is in a uptrend. So now we will talk about Trend Limited daily chart BSC. So its last traded price was 895 rupees and loss percentage is minus 2.90%. So here you can see it is in a sideways trend and it is at resistance and forming here a morning star pattern. So now we will see the RSI. Its RSI is 52.78 which is in a down move and showing a sell signal. So now we will talk about its MACD. MACD line is below signal line which shows us also a sell signal. Now we will talk about its exponential moving averages. So here you can see 5 DEMA cuts 13 DEMA from below and both are at the same phase and 26 DEMA is below of both of them. Now we will see the Bollinger Band. It is below average line and showing a no signal for buy or sell. So pattern is sideways trend. It forming a morning star pattern. Its RSI is 52.78. Its MACD line is below signal line. Exponential moving averages is 5 DEMA cuts 13 DEMA from below and both of them are merged. Now we will talk about Bollinger Band. So it is above average line pattern. So overall result is there is no such signal. So hold a while for this stock. So now we will talk about BASF India Limited. Daily chart BSC. Its last traded price was 2724.90 rupees. Its percentage gain is 0.92%. So here you can see it is in a sideways trend and in the up move. Now we will talk about its RSI. Its RSI is 62.65 which is in a uptrend and showing a buy signal. Now we will talk about its MACD. MACD line is above signal line and here it cuts the signal line from below. Now we will talk about its exponential moving average. The 5 DEMA is above 13 and 26 DEMA. So now we will talk about its Bollinger Band. It is at upper band forming pattern which is giving us a buy call. So overall result is there the pattern is sideways trend and moving in up move. Its RSI is 62.65. Its MACD line is above signal line. Exponential moving averages now talking 5 DEMA is above 13 and 26 DEMA. Now we will talk about Bollinger Band. It is at upper band forming pattern. So overall there is a strong buy signal. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Rajmore Consultancy. Follow me on Facebook and join my Telegram channel. Link is in description. Thank you.